me! My guy, what do you want? Why did the principal call me and tell me you got into a fight at school? Well, hold on, before you get angry, I just want to let you know that he hit me first, so I had a right to. I don't want to hear excuses! You shouldn't be getting into fights at all! I didn't ask him to hit me, he just messed around and found out!
Well, you want to know what I found out?
What? That you're not getting your phone for 3 months, no PlayStation, and you're grounded! What, Mom? Nope, I don't want to hear it! I didn't raise a caveman! Simon! Whoa, never heard Dad do that before. What do you want? Why did the principal call me and tell me you got into a fight at school? Alright, I know that you're mad, but I just want to let you know that he hit me first, okay? Oh, really? Yeah. Did you win? Yeah. Yeah, that's my boy! Sir, I already know, man, come on! Did you hit him with the 1-2 like I taught you? No, but get this. I got him in a headlock and then I did the— Why are you condoning this behavior? He could have seriously hurt somebody! Yeah, or he could have gotten seriously hurt himself. If you ask me, the other kid messed around and found out. Bye. Excuse me!